Very compact, not too much noise, very reliable, 9-hour autonomy,
Okay.
and very clean power for your fancy tools or a fancy machine in there.
Okay,
And
that's what we
it's very
want.
easy to use.
Okay,
You'll
show me.
see. Watch this. As I said, I can carry it, so.
Oh wow, you can swing it with your arms at 60 years old.
Yeah, shut up.
Okay.
Paint by numbers, i.e. a bunch of pictures to show you what to do. Just make sure it gets some air, just turn the valve on, just turn the power on, choke if you need it, and ready to go.
So I can see here we have a 12-volt outlet, an AC outlet. We have everything we need to work and make sure the van stays alive on the road, right?
That's right. And again, as you said, it's to make sure it stays alive. You need to work, you need the power. This is gonna save you if it's been raining for 4 or 5 days,
Yeah.
you're in the middle of nowhere. This is the tool to use. And as you see, easy to carry, easy to store.
So it's the ultimate backup.
The backup you need.